According to crypto trader Mags, Bitcoin, a flagship cryptocurrency, has recently demonstrated a notable plus 55% surge, breaking out from a smaller broadening wedge pattern. Mags shared insights on this significant price movement, observing Bitcoin's breakout and suggesting a midterm target at the upper trendline resistance of a larger broadening wedge. And this surge notably results from several catalysts in play, such as the surging interest of institutional investors and the U.S. approval of spot Bitcoin exchange-traded funds. However, Bitcoin has seen a slight downturn following its recent surge over the past 24 hours. Despite being significantly up over the past month, the asset has declined by nearly 10% in the past day, with its current trading volume slightly decreasing to $44 billion from over $50 million yesterday. This sudden dip can largely be attributed to the imminent expiration of options. According to the options trading platform, Greeks.live, a substantial 36,000 BTC options are set to expire soon, featuring a put-call ratio of 0.9. And that's a more and more sentiment, notably the put-call ratio, which serves as a sentiment indicator, assessing the market mood by comparing the volume of put options to call options. It's calculated by dividing the number of traded put options by the number of traded call options. Put options grant the holder the right, but not the obligation, to sell a specified amount of an underlying asset at a predetermined price within a specific time frame. Conversely, toll options allow the holder the right, but not the obligation, to buy a specified amount of an underlying asset at a set price within a specific time frame. The put-call ratio is interpreted in two ways: a high ratio greater than 1 and a low ratio less than 1. A low ratio suggests more call options are being bought than put options, indicating bullish market sentiment as more traders expect the market to rise. Conversely, a high ratio indicates that more put options are being bought than call options, suggesting bearish market sentiment as more traders anticipate a market decline. January 12 options, dated 36,000 BTC options, are about to expire with a put-call ratio of 0.9, a max paying point of $45,000, and a notional value of $1.68 billion. 262,000 ETH options are due to expire with a put-call ratio of 64, a max paying point of $2,400, and a notional value of $680. Greeks are January 12, 2024, with Bitcoin's put-call ratio at 0.9, as reported by Greeks Live. It implies that traders are leaning towards a bearish move for Bitcoin. This anticipated decline may contribute to Bitcoin's current dip, despite the recent commencement of spot Bitcoin ETF trading in the U.S. Despite the current dip, market analysts suggest this downturn might be short-lived. As highlighted by crypto trader Mags, the breakout from a smaller broadening wedge pattern signifies a bullish sentiment in the short term. The plus 55% surge marks a recovery from previous lows and prepares the stage for potential ascent toward the upper trend line of a larger broadening wedge. Such a pattern hints that Bitcoin could be primed for further substantial price movement shortly. Additionally, the max pain point, as identified by Greeks.live, is currently pegged at $45,000 for Bitcoin, holding a total notional value of $1.68 billion. This point, where option holders have faced the most financial loss, is a critical indicator of the market's potential direction. According to Greeks Live's analysis, the nearing expiry of 36,000 BTC options implies that the market is poised for significant movements. In anticipation of these dynamics, Greeks Live reported a shift in trading strategies has been observed, with a growing emphasis on long gamma approaches.